Can you spot the vowels? Let's find them together. Look at all the letters. Do you see the vowels now? Yes, that's right. The colorful ones are vowels. Did you know there are 26 letters in the alphabet? Out of those 26, 5 are super special. A, E, I, O, U. We call them vowels. And all the other letters, they're the vowels' best friends, called consonants. Let's look at the vowels one more time. Ready? Repeat after me. A, E, I, O, U. Fantastic job! Vowels are very special because you can't make words without them. Let's check out some fun examples. Here's a word, C-A-T, cat. Here, the letter A is the vowel. What if we take the A away? We are left with only consonants C and T. That doesn't sound like a word at all. Did you see how important vowels are? Here's another word, D-O-G, dog. See that O in the middle? That's the vowel here. Now imagine the word without O. It feels broken, right? That's because vowels are super important. They help the word make sense. And consonants are just as important too. They give the word its shape and strength. Together, they make the word complete. Now let's play a little game. Here's a word, A-N-T, ant. Can you spot the vowel in this word? Yes, you found it. It's the letter A. Great! Now, can you find the consonants? That's right. N and T are the consonants. Now you know how vowels and consonants work together to make a word. If you enjoyed learning with me, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.